Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, October the 3rd. Sorry, I've got 5 press releases for you. 4 of them out of the resources space, but 1 of them out of the BioLife space, and I want to start off with that first. It's out of BioLife Solutions, OTC BLFS. They announced revenue up 36% year over year at $715,000 and up 15% sequentially over Q2 2011. Now, here's what I like. 2 things. First, this is a preliminary number, this preliminary record revenue for the third quarter ended September 30th. So the quarter essentially ended on Friday, and BioLife made sure to get at the news today, this morning, first thing. It means they're excited. They got great news. You still got to wait for the 10Q to come out to confirm these numbers, but I'm sure they're going to be pretty much dead on, and that's always a good sign when a company wants to rush its numbers to the market. Second, what do? This is a company that provides hypothermic storage, transport, and cryopreservation, which is essentially freezing of products for cells, tissues, and organs. You know that's going to be a big business going forward. Organ transplants, stem cell technology, all that stuff going forward. This is going to be a very, very important space going forward. I like the fact that the company is delivering. They've got $715,000 revenue for the quarter. They're up sequentially. They're up year over year. That's always a good sign. Do some more due diligence, though. You got to take a look at their balance sheet. They closed on Friday at 8 cents. 2 cents is their low. 11 cents is their 52-week high. This morning trading flat, 8,000 shares. It's still early though, with no trade, with no change either way. But at a market cap of $5.57 million, it makes me want to take a look. Let's move on to resources. Champion Minerals, TSX-CHM, and for our friends in Germany, P02 or P02. Sorry, I'm not sure which one. They announced that they increased their 43101 resources at their Fire Lake North project to over 1 billion tons. Let's see what we got here. We've got measured, indicated, inferred. So the measured, they got 8.4 million tons, grading 35% iron. In the indicated, they got 391.7 million tons, grading 30.5%. And in the inferred category, they got 661 million tons, grading 27.7%. This is for total iron. I like those numbers. Iron, no matter what happens, is going to be very important going forward. Champion closed at 86 cents on Friday, which is actually right at their 52-week low. They've got a high on the 52-week of $3.30. This morning, Champion up 2 cents on 60,000 shares to 88 cents. Anytime it comes trading at 52-week lows and they put out these kind of numbers, I like seeing increased 43101s. You got to take a closer look. Next up, no stranger to AGORACOM TV here, Marathon Gold, MOZ on the TSX. They're announcing that they continue to expand, those are their words, the left-ground gold deposit with 3.46 grams ton of gold over 24.5 meters and 3.5 grams over 21.5 meters. The company's calling this continued success of the 2011 drilling program, and they're calling it significant new main zone mineralization. So go take a look at those results. $1.30 close on Friday, 207 on the 52-week high, $1 on the low. This morning, Marathon flat, no volume yet, but we've just started trading. It is Monday morning. Avion Gold, TSX Venture, AVR, and for our friends in the U.S., AVGCF. They announced that they hit 13 grams per ton of gold over 7 meters and 3.46 grams over 15 meters. The company says they did results from an additional 28 reverse circulation drill holes, totaling about 4,700 meters. So a sizable program there. They've listed what they call significant new results. So I've given you a couple already in the headline. Go take a look at those. Here's what I like about the company. They're focused in West Africa. They hold 80% of the Tabakoto and Segala gold projects in Mali. In West Africa, looks like holds 80% of these gold projects in Mali. Gold production commenced at these projects, so they are theirs, in 2009 with approximately 51,290 ounces produced. 2010, they produced 87,630 ounces, so you got to like those numbers. And we're obviously waiting for the 2011 numbers to come out. 201 is where they closed on Friday. 257 on the 52-week high. So you see a company producing gold is actually maintaining its price level much better than most companies nowadays. They're in the exploration stage. 71 cents on the 52-week low. So a lot of happy shareholders in Avion right now. As of this morning, Avion up 4 cents, 190,000 shares. That's up 1 penny to $2.03. So obviously the market likes this news. Nice volume. Good news for Michael McAllister, my friend, over at Avion Gold. Next up, West Kirkland Mining, TSX Venture, WKM. This is a new one for me. They announced that they drilled 16.15 grams ton of gold over 5 meters, and they call this a new discovery at their Kirkland Lake camp in Ontario. They say that they're reporting the discovery of a new gold zone on their 100% option mineral claims. The new discovery has initial strike length of 100 meters and depth extent in excess of 200 meters. Michael Allen, the VP of Exploration, gave us some context here in his quote when he said, in the Kirkland Lake and Timmins camps, near surface zones such as the one announced today are the indicators we search for to lead us to mineralization. So they got the indicators, and they want to, and hopefully it's going to lead them to mineralization. They are trading very well, though. $1.10 is where they close on Friday, 75 cents on the 52-week low, $1.70 on the high. West Kirkland this morning, up a penny, only on 1,000 shares, but nonetheless good to see some green on the screen for West Kirkland. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 5 great press releases for you today. If you're looking for more great small cap resource companies and you watch this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch this show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.